A warm welcome to my dear 5th standard student. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard maths 3rd lesson. What is our 3rd lesson name, my dears? Very good. Our 3rd lesson name is factors and multiples. What is our 3rd lesson name? Factors and multiples. So what is mean by factors and what is mean by multiples? Listen here. When two or more numbers are multiplied. For example, if you take the if you take 5 8s are, so what is the answer? 5 8s are, the answer is 40. 5 8s are, the answer is 40. Here 5 and 8 are called the factors. 5 and 8 are called the factors. And then 40 is called the multiples. 40 is called what? Multiples. Here 5 and 8 are called the factors. So today we are going to see find the HCF. So what does mean by HCF? So HCF means that is highest common factors. Highest common factors. In that last session itself you have learned what is factors and what is common factors. And today you are going to see highest common factors. In this highest common factor based on only common factor. Okay. So listen here. Find the highest common factors of. So HCF means highest common factors. Highest common factors. So the definition is the HCF of 2 or more than 2 numbers. 2 or more than 2 numbers is the highest among all their common factors. So listen children, I will explain. For example, if you take 10 and 5, find the HCF of 10 and 5. Example, find the HCF of 10 and 15. HCF of 10 and 15. First we are going to find the factors of 10, then we are going to find the factors of 15, and finally we should find the highest common factors. So first one is factors of 10. Okay, find the factors of 10. Say what is the factors of 10? Then all the numbers having 1 is the factor and the number itself is the factor. So one table of 10? Yes, very good. 1 10s are 10. So write the factor 1. Next 2 table. So 2 table of 10? Yes, how many times? 2 5s are 10. So write here 2, then 3 table 10 is not possible. Then we will take 4 table. 4 table also 10 is not possible. Then we will take 5 table. 5 table of 10? Yes, very good Kiran. 5 table of 10. How many times? 5 2s are 10. So write here 5 and then 10 table of 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and then 10. Now we are going to find the factors of 15. So write here factors of 15 are factors of 15. So first we are going to check the 1 table, 2 table, 3 table up to 15 table. So 1 table of 15? Yes. How many times? 1 15s are 15. So write here 1 15s are 15. Now we are going to check 2 table. So 2 table 15 is not possible. Why? Because 15 is the odd number. The number ends with odd number. 2 table is the even number. So 15 is not possible. Next we are going to check the 3 table. Now tell me Kiran, 3 table of 15? Yes, very good. 3 table of 15. How many times? 3 5s are 15. So the next factor is 3 and then 4 table 15 is not possible. Next we are going to take the 5 table. So 5 table 15 totally 3 times. So write the factors 5 and finally 15 table. Now we are going to find the common factors and highest common factors also. The common factors are, listen here, 1, 1 and then 5, 5. So here the common factors, equal to 1 and then 5. Now find the highest common factor. So highest common factor means highest number. Compare this two number 1 and 5. Which one is the highest number? 5 is the highest number. So listen children, the HCF of 10 and 15 equal to 10 and 15 equal to, the answer is 5. So listen children, in before example sums are how to find the factors of two groups of the number, right? And now we are going to see 12, 30 and 54. First you are going to find the factors of 12, then you are going to find the factors of 30, then you are going to find the factors of 54, and finally you should find the common factors, and finally you should find the highest common factors. So that is called as HCF. The short form of highest common factor is HCF. So first we are going to find the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are So what is the factors of 12 here we have? So first we are going to check the 1 table and up to 12 table, right? So 1 table of 12, now tell me Ritika, 1 table of 12, very good, yes, 1 table of 12, how many times? That is 1 12s are 12. So write here, one 12s are 12, right? 1 12s are 12. And next we are going to find the factors in second table. So 2 table of 12. Yes, tell me Korean, what is the answer? 2 6 are 12. So write the answer, 2 6 are 12. Next we are going to check the 3 table. So 3 table of 12. Yes, how many times? 3 4s are 12. So write the answer, 3 4s are 12. Next we are going to check the 4th table. Yes, 4th table of 12. Already here we have 3 4s are 12. Now in this numbers repeats, right? Like 4 3s are 12 and then 6 2s are 12, then 12 1s are 12. 6 2s are 12, then 12 1s are 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Next we are going to find the factors of 30. So write here, factors of 30 are. Factors of 30 are. Factors of 30 are. So you all know the one table and the number itself is the factors of all the numbers, right? So 1 table of 30, yes, how many times? 130s are 30. So write the answer, 130s are 30. The first factor is 130s are 30. And next one, we are going to check the 2 table. Now 2 table of 30, tell me Ashwini, 2 table of 30. Very good, 2 table of 30. How many times? 2 15s are 30. So write the answer, 2 15s are 30. And next one is 3 table. 3 table of 30. Yes, 3 10s are 30. And next we are going to check the 4 table. So 4 table 30 possible means it is not possible, right? And next we are going to check the 5 table. 5 table of 30. Yes, right. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 6 are 30. So 5 table of 30, write 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. And next 6 table. 6 table of 30. Yes, very good. 6 table of 30. So write here 6 5s are 30 and the number will repeat. 10 3s are 30 and then 15 2s are 30, then 31s are 30. 15 2s are 30 and finally 31s are 30. 31s are 30. So listen my children, we got the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we are going to find the factors of 54. Now we are going to find the factors of 54. Now listen children, you know what is the factors of 12 and what is the factors of 30. Now what is the factors of 12? 1 12s are 12 and 1 table are 12 and 2 and then 3, 4, 6 and then finally 12. Then you also know the factors of 30. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we are going to find the factors of 54. So write here factors of 54. Factors of 54 are factors of 54 are. So what is the first factor? You all know the first factor is 1 table, right? So write 154s are 54. 154s are 54. Next you are going to check whether 54 have 2 table or not. So doing the division, while divisioning time, reminder you get 0 means yes, that is a factor of 54. 2 table is a factor of 54. In non-zero number means it is not a factor of 54. So take 54 and then divided by 2. 54 divided by 2. Take the first number. In 2 table of 5? No, 2 table of only 4. So how many times? 2 2s are 4. Right? 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Then we should bring down 4. In 2 table of 14? Yes. How many times? 7 2s are 14. So write the answer. 7 2s are 14. So listen my children, 14 minus 14 equal to 0. Yeah, 2 table of 54. How many times? 2 27s are 54. So write the answer. 2 27s are 54. Then we are going to check the 3 table. So take a 54 divided by 3. So remainder 0 means that is yes and remainder non-zero number means that is no. So take a 3 and then 5, totally only 1 time. So write 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Next you take 5 minus 3 2, then you should bring down 4. Now 3 table of 24. Yes, how many times? 3 8s are 24. So write the answer. 8 3s are 24. Now 24 minus 24, the answer is 0. Here too we got 0. So the factors of 3 is the factor of 54. So write the answer. 3 18s are 54. 3 18s are 54. Next, my dear student, check 4 table. So 4 table 54 is not possible. Next you are going to check the 5 table. 5 table also 54 is not possible. Now tell me Anjali, 6 table of 54? Yes, how many times? 6 9s are 54. So write the factors. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. Next you are going to check the 7 table. 7 table 54 not possible means it is not possible. Next 8 table not possible. Next you are going to check the 9 table. So 9 table, that is 9 6 are 54. Then the number will be repeated. Next we have 18 3s are 54. So write here 18 3s are 54 and then 27 2s are 54 and then 54 1s are 54. So write here 54 1s are 54. So listen my children, you all know what is the factors of 54, right? The factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Now we are going to write the factors of 12, factors of 30 and factors of 54. So listen here. Write factors of 12. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. So what is the factors of 12? You all know the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then 12. Next we are going to write the factors of 30. Write factors of 30. Factors of 30 are So 1 table of 30. So first one is 1 is a factor, and 2, and then 3, then 5, 6. Okay. So what is our next factor? 10, 15, then 30. 10, 15 and then 30. So 1 table of 30, 2 table of 30, 3 table of 30, 5 table of 30, 6 table of 30 and 10 table, 15 table and a 30 table. Now we are going to write the factors of 54. Say what is the factors of 54? Factors of 54. So the factors of 54 is, listen here, we have the factors of 54 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So write that 1, 2, the next one is 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, then finally 54. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So what is our next step? As next step is going to find the common numbers, that is called as common factors. So listen here. So compare this all the numbers, which one is a common number? We have 1 is there. See, listen here, common number find பண்ணும்போது அந்த 3 factorsலயுமே இருக்கணும். 12, 30 and then 54. So all the first number is 1, 1, 1. So write 1, 1, 1. And our next common number is 2, 2, 2. And our next common number is 3, 3, 3. And next we have here 6 is there. So 6, 6 and then 6. Okay. So next common factor, nothing is there. So the answer is the common factors of. So CF means that is common factor. The common factor of 12, 30 and 54 are common factor of 12, 30 and 54 are, and 54 are. So what is the answer? The answer is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we are going to find the highest common factor. So highest common factor means that is HCF. So what is the HCF value here? Very good. Our HCF value is 6. Highest number is 6. So the final answer, the HCF of the HCF of 12, and what is the next number? 30. Then 54 is 12, 30 and 54 is 6. The final answer is 6. So listen my children, this is what means find the highest common factors. Highest common factors. So first we are going to find the factors, then we are going to find the common factors, then we will find the highest common factors. Okay, so in next class we will see common multiples that end up. So listen children, in this session you have learned common factors and highest common factors. The short form of highest common factor is HCF. In this below description we have other study material, question bank and self assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.